Oh, I'm up. Okay, hello. Lois Threlkeld. I'm with the Ladies of Justice League.
.com.
Oh, that's so good. So we give people affordable access to lawyers, not only here in California, not only every single area of law, but also all across the United States. So if you visit
ladiesofjusticeleague.com.
I'll pay you later. If you visit that website, you'll be able to make some selections, earning extra income, legal advice, 7 fastest paths to cash in real estate. So visit ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and this is our little blue thing that we've been passing around that is an interest form. Thank you so much.